Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by rushing directly to the nearest Nova node. Do not delay. Equip a drill level 2 or higher and clear 1/2 of your inventory so you can stack ore. This prevents lost pickups. Once you reach the node, use your scanner ping every 30 seconds to highlight hidden veins that spawn under debris and make short, controlled bursts with the drill so you don't waste energy or overheat the tool. Next, refine the raw ore immediately. Place 10 Nova ore into a level 3 furnace to yield 3 Nova ingots, because efficiency scales that way. Once done, prioritize spending about 60% of your ingots on core upgrades that unlock sustained bonuses, and allocate the remaining 40% to ammunition and weapon mods. This balance keeps you combat ready. Also, make sure to mix Nova with Alloy X when crafting armor. This combination raises. Finally, install your Nova cores into the 2 critical slots to maximize the passive bonus. Do it with the system offline to avoid misfeeds. Then, test the setup in a controlled combat wave to confirm performance. This catches tuning issues before major runs. If something goes wrong, check the power feed and connection first, then reforge the core at the nearest workstation. Reforge success is about 70%, so have backup ore ready and repeat until stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.